If you've ever wanted to paint flowers but felt scared to start, or didn't know where to place your brush, or felt like you were not good at this, pause. This video is for you. Today I want to show you a very gentle way of learning watercolor. A way that removes the pressure, the fear of the blank page, and that quiet voice that says, "Don't waste the paper," or "You might ruin it." This is not about perfection. It's about allowing yourself to begin safely, calmly, and without judgment. This page you are seeing right now is one of my flower practice sheets. And before anything else, I want you to notice something important. These sheets are meant to be printed on regular printer paper. Yep, not watercolor paper. Not expensive paper, because many times what stops us before we even start is the feeling of, I don't want to waste my good paper, right? By using simple printer paper, you give yourself permission to experiment, repeat, make mistakes, and learn without fear. Now, what makes these pages truly special is something very simple but very powerful. These light gray shapes are guides. They gently tell your hand where to go without controlling you. You are not copying a finished painting. You are not guessing. And you are not staring at a blank page wondering what to do. You are learning through movement. Notice how I'm not rushing. I'm simply following the guide, letting my brush move, allowing the water and pigment to do their thing. Because this is practice. There is no pressure to get it right. You don't need a lot of pressure. You don't need perfect lines. You don't need fancy brushstrokes. The goal here is not to create art to impress anyone. The goal is to teach your hand what a flower feels like, using basic brushstrokes, repetition, and calm movement. And something beautiful happens when you work this way. Your hand starts remembering. This is usually the moment when people are surprised. They say, "I didn't think I could do this. That was easier than I expected. I actually enjoyed it." That's because fear disappears when the path is clear, when you are not worried about wasting paper, when you are not guessing, when you are gently guided. This way of learning is not only relaxing, it's effective. If you enjoy this process and you'd like to experience it more deeply, I'm hosting a live Valentine's Day watercolor workshop. We'll paint together in real time, slowly and calmly, using 14 flower practice sheets just like this one, designed with intention to help you paint your very first flowers with confidence. It's a space where you don't need experience, you don't need perfect materials, and you don't need to prove anything. I'll leave the details below if you'd like to join me. And if not, I hope this video reminded you of something important. You are capable. You are allowed to start gently. Until next time, keep playing.